Nandun yung banda. Yan, dyan. Dyan, yan, dyan sila lumalabas. Tas magpuntayan sila dito. They come here to eat some leaves and you came to my house and ate all my food last day. Enjoy eating. Welcome to. Yan. Yan, magandang kulay pag ganyan. Yan. Wala kami masyado puno sa Arizona, Sisi. We don't have a lot of puno. We don't have a lot of tree, flowering tree or matured tree where I live. So I'll give you an example. This tree here, that's why they put some kind of a covering in the branch, because the deer come and I think they stick their horn and then they eat the bark of the tree. So then that's what happened to the two trees in the front of the house. Died because of the deer. They call it deer infestations. So, and then look at that small tree there. It died because the deer got him. Deer infestation. And the tree over there, see that tree over there is also covered with plastic covering the branches because of the deer infestation. You know that I thought the deer only eat leaves, but no. Young trees, they also come and eat the bark until the tree died. It's lovely garden. Dire lot of at sa aso sa kasadahan, kahit punta ka sa simbahan, grabe mga dumi ng aso ba. Kurik. Dear, I am near to 2K family. Give me a shout out. Las Vegas video was superb. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Coffee and Clicks, for watching my videos. It helped me. Good job, good job. Thank you so much. Oo, sa amin din si Marilyn. Is the same. Buhian. Manjud nila ila mga iro. Kurik. Kaya aso ko sa Pilipinas, sa Romblon, hindi ko siya, nasa bahay lang sila. Tapos nakalish sila. Kasi may manghikog man na police. The police come to look for stray dogs. Sisi Marilyn, the police people, they come to the town and collect stray dogs in the Philippines, and if you're the owner of that dog, you have to collect your dog and you have to pay penalty of 1,500 pesos to be able to get your dog back. Otherwise, if you don't have that money, I think they slaughter that dogs. Poor thing, I know. But the problem is that the owners of the dog, they don't have a discipline, They just let their dog out of the street, and and that's what happened. So that's why we have a lot of dog poops in the